So as you can see, this stem has these leaves, these sprouts on the armpits, and in no time, in about 2 weeks time, everything is going to be bushy again, and then we can have another harvest. So this is my harvest for today. I hope you had value in this video, and if you grow Managu or African nightshade in your garden, leave a comment below and let me know how you grow it, how you harvest it, and which varieties are you growing, and let's learn together. Please subscribe and see you on my next video. Bye.